Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Students, today I will teach you English, year number 11, test page number 66, part B. Rewrite the following sentences using the word S in brackets to give the same meaning. इसमें नंबर 1 पर सेंटेंस है, he threw his net into the river, then he caught a fish as soon as dash. आंसर नोट करें, as soon as he threw his net into the river he caught a fish. नेक्स्ट नंबर 2 पर सेंटेंस है, the fish were very small but they were tasty. although आंसर नोट करें, although the fish were very small but they were tasty. नेक्स्ट नंबर 3 पर सेंटेंस है, he ate the fish, he doesn't usually eat smoked fish dash although dash. आंसर नोट करें, he ate the fish although he doesn't usually eat smoked fish. नेक्स्ट नंबर 4 पर सेंटेंस है, I didn't feed the hens yesterday, she said that. आंसर नोट करें, she said that she hadn't fed the hens yesterday. नेक्स्ट नंबर 5 पर सेंटेंस है, I will give them some corn after breakfast, she said that dash. आंसर नोट करें, she said that she would give them some corn after breakfast. स्टूडेंट्स, आज का लेक्चर यहाँ कंप्लीट हुआ. आई होप यू विल बी अंडरस्टूड दिस लेक्चर. Students, kindly write down this work on your notebooks. Okay, Allah Hafiz.